In late January 2026, New York faced a major nature disaster as a historic snowstorm blanketed the state's urban centers and rural regions, triggering extreme weather conditions, public safety emergencies, and multiple weather-related accidents. This breaking news event, defined by heavy snow, near blizzard conditions, and dangerous road surfaces, became one of the most consequential winter storms in recent memory. The National Weather Service issued winter storm warnings across New York City and the broader Northeast, forecasting heavy snow accumulations between 8 and 12 inches, with isolated higher snowfall totals reported in parts of the Bronx and Hudson Valley. Gusty winds reached up to 35 miles per hour, reducing visibility and fostering hazardous travel conditions on major roads and highways. Across New York City, snow began falling rapidly on January 25th, 2026, intensifying throughout the day and coating streets, sidewalks, and transportation arteries in a thick white blanket. Central Park recorded 11.4 inches of snow, while JFK and LaGuardia airports measured just under 10.5 inches each. In parts of the Bronx, total snowfall exceeded a foot, with 13.5 inches observed by official reporting stations. Emergency management teams warned that the sheer weight of the snow, combined with freezing temperatures, would make travel perilous and daily life difficult. Major area airports reported thousands of flight cancellations, and ferry services altered routes due to ice buildup in the East and Hudson rivers. Governor Kathy Hochul declared a state of emergency statewide, activating the New York National Guard to assist local response partners across New York City, Long Island, and the Hudson Valley. Travel restrictions were imposed on key state highways to ensure safety and expedite snow removal operations. Governor Kathy Hochul city officials in New York and surrounding counties implemented Code Blue protocols as temperatures plummeted well below freezing, ensuring warming centers and shelter spaces remained open to protect vulnerable populations from dangerous cold. Despite these preparations, the storm's deadly toll became evident as the extreme weather climaxed. Across New York State, at least 10 fatalities were linked to the cold, snow, and associated conditions, many involving individuals exposed to frigid temperatures outdoors. Some deaths occurred among residents experiencing homelessness, while others were tied to accidents on icy roads and hazardous surfaces. Public health officials also reported fatalities from hypothermia and related causes in other parts of the United States as the same winter storm system swept across large regions. Throughout the storm, the city's sanitation and public works crews fought continuously to clear snow from principal roads and residential streets. 8 large snow melters were deployed in strategic locations across the 5 boroughs, capable of melting tons of accumulated snow per hour to hasten cleanup and improve traffic flow. Major highways and commuter routes became treacherous as plows worked to keep lanes open. The New York State Police and Department of Transportation reminded drivers that conditions could change rapidly, urging motorists to avoid unnecessary travel. A notable incident involved a vehicle colliding with a snowplow on the Taconic State Parkway amid poor visibility, thankfully without reported serious injuries. The Wolf Public Transit agencies maintained operations where possible, even as snow continued falling and ice accumulated on tracks. The Metropolitan Transportation Authority said subway services operated through the storm, though buses and commuter rails ran on reduced or modified schedules to ensure safety.